Hi, Tim Blankenship here with Divorce661.com. Today we're going to tell a little story about some attorneys that have been playing games with some of the clients we've been assisting. I'm going to be doing more videos like this just when we find attorneys doing things that just, not doing things in the best interest of clients or children. So we have a client that came to us. They had received a package in the mail and it turned out that they had been served, after their divorce was finalized, a modification of child custody and visitation, which if you watched the prior video, you know that that's allowable. However, they mailed it to an incorrect address, which delayed it arriving to their house. There was a unit number attached, and they didn't put the unit number, and it was given to a wrong address, and the parties, when they received it, there was not enough time for them to respond. So I told them to first call the attorney and ask for a continuance so they have enough time and let them know, hey, you did not serve me properly. Well, the attorneys played games, said basically too bad, and take us to court. So we faxed a letter over to the attorney, basically giving them 24 hours to be nice and continue the hearing. Otherwise, we were going to file an ex parte motion with the court. And they declined to call or do anything with that, so we filed a motion with the court. Ex parte, they're actually going there this morning, probably in about 5 minutes, to have their hearing. So what happened is we gave ex parte notice, and the attorney called our client back about 3 hours later, saying, you know what, we're going to go down to court, but we're going to object to your faulty service of your ex parte notice. So it's just a big game to some of these attorneys. They have no interest in actually getting the case resolved. They'd rather go to court to try and stop her from getting a continuance. All our client's asking is to have the proper time to respond to the motion. That's it. And she called them. We wrote a letter and faxed them a letter making this request. And then we had to go in ex parte. All he has to do is call the clerk and make a joint call and continue the hearing. But instead of that, now they're down in court just to ask to continue the hearing so they have time to respond. And the attorney's intention in going down there today is not to agree, but rather to go in there and object and just force the issue. It makes no sense. Unfortunately, what I think attorneys are doing, the more often they can get in court, the more they can drive up their clients' fees, the better. And that's why these things don't resolve quickly. Anyways, we're starting to rant a little bit on attorneys because we're starting to see some serious games being played. These attorneys are taking advantage of litigants who are representing themselves. They would never do this if there's an attorney on the other end. My name is Tim Blankenship, specializing in California divorce. Hope this video is helpful. Please give me a call if you need assistance with your divorce case anywhere in California. 661-281-0266, or you can go to Divorce661.com for more information.